Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine Silva and I make videos all about business, finance, beauty, and organization. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm Geraldine Silva and I'm a manager. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Today I decided to do a whole plan with me type of day because I was watching some videos last night of people like planning and stuff, and I was like, you know what, I want to plan and I want to make a video about it. So I decided to do that this morning. So if you guys like this type of like planning videos, like a plan with me, please like this video so I know, and comment down below if you want me to do like a daily plan or a weekly plan or a monthly plan. So I guess we'll see how well this works out. But to start off, this is the planner that I use. This is the Day Designer Planner. I love this planner so much. It's literally everything I've ever wanted when it comes to a planner. I just love how vibrant these colors are. It comes with gold hardware and gold little corners for it to be protected so that it doesn't like fold or anything. So I think that's pretty cool and well thought out. It's just very beautiful, and it is hardcover, which is exactly what I want. Some people may not like that because it'll add extra weight to their bag. However, for me, I wanted something hardcover just because I wanted something more durable, and I don't really mind the extra weight. I'm not taking it anywhere. I'm at home anyway. So yeah, so I really like this. I've been using this planner since, I believe it was July of last year, and this planner ends on June. Planner that I'm using, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the page that we're at. We are in February. It comes with this like cool little like bookmark so you know exactly where you are at. This planner comes with just a monthly overview. It doesn't really come with weekly overviews. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is the spreadsheet when it comes to a daily plan. So it comes with the top 3. Today's top 3. It comes with anything that's due today, the dollars, dinner, and don't forget. So it starts from 5 a.m. and it ends at 9, which is perfect because that's literally me. I do wake up at 5 a.m. and I do end my night at 9, so this worked out perfectly. It comes with a whole little slot of to-dos, so anything you need to jot down just quickly, you can go ahead and do that right here. And then you have some extra space for notes and just daily gratitude, which I find very helpful for me. I love doing daily gratitudes. I just love writing and stating what I feel grateful for the day, and it just keeps you grounded and it keeps you in the mindset of like, what are you grateful for? There's so many things to be grateful for throughout the day. So I find that very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with my top 3. We're gonna go ahead and get started with my today's top 3. I'm just gonna speed this up because I don't really want to talk through, and I feel like that'll be a little bit boring if I talk through what my today's top 3 are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start planning, and I'm gonna speed this up. So like I said, these are the only things that I have to do. So I did my top 3 and my don't forget and dinner today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with filling in this section right here. So this is how it is currently looking like. Now, this looks a little too plain and bland for my type of liking, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna highlighter is associated with a category of my life. So to put in perspective, my blues are everything that is Ian related. So for example, right here, this is his classwork, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight his classwork. Phonics and math are his classes with his teacher, and that's, I believe, everything that I have for Ian. And then pink is everything business related, so business meaning my YouTube and my Instagram, my Babe Manager business. So I'm gonna go in with pink. So it's, and then orange is everything that is just related to me. So for example, like biking, that is like my time, journaling, and then I'm gonna use green for my dog. So, you know, take Oliver outside, walk Oliver. I like to go in and I like to write the stuff that I do with Ian, like all of his school assignments, just to keep him on track and stuff, and it's separated from the actual page and my to-do. So this right here will be so this is all of Ian's stuff. So he has his assignments right here. He just finished doing his phonics, his math. We're gonna do his writing right now, his numbers, his name, and we usually do a question of the day, so it's like writing material. So it's like, who is your favorite superhero? I know it's Captain America, but we're gonna write about it, we're gonna draw it and stuff. So I'm gonna check off because we've already done that, and I'm gonna go ahead and check off some of the stuff too because I've already done it. So take the dogs outside, I've already done in the morning. I did journal, I did have breakfast, I'm currently filming. So this is the rest of the day as of right now. I have lots of stuff to do. I also want to plan out my monthly YouTube monthly content. I'm not really putting this, oops, can't really see it. Not really putting this into the actual day because whenever I get the chance to do it, I will go ahead and do it. As you can tell, I've already have like a whole I already have a whole full day of stuff that I need to do, so whatever I can just fit in with this, I will throughout the day. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my day. Dogs are hitting the they keep moving my planner. That's it when it comes to me doing my planner. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Joraldisava and a Babe Manager. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.